Right now, we see a sentiment score of plus 0.29 for the environment, holding steady despite the momentum at plus 0.00. This unusual stability, paired with 18 distinct semantic clusters, suggests a rare moment where public sentiment is cautiously optimistic, yet not moving significantly in either direction. This can be particularly insightful for your projects. For instance, if you're building a dashboard to track environmental initiatives, this data can help you identify key areas of interest and potential engagement strategies. So, if you're looking to leverage real-time sentiment insights, our API provides a comprehensive analysis, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters, to help inform your decisions. Check out the full documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's get building.